A Greater Lagos Rising is a vision brought to life through continuous action and commitment. Despite ongoing efforts, one notable challenge has been the condition of key roads in Lagos State. With resilience and tenacity, however, a transformation is unfolding with the rehabilitation of roads ushering in a new era for these critical areas. The newly constructed Abiola Onijemo Link Road and its accompanying bridge in Ifako-Ijaye add further support to this bustling area where bridges are essential in accommodating Lagos' growing population. These critical infrastructures ensure commuters can navigate the city efficiently and safely.
When they started, we were thinking maybe it's a joke, but we thank God they've done it well, and at the same time it's helping us because before you must pay money before you cross the road. I know definitely when the road is open, every other place will be free because when you pass through Obawale to Raruna, it's very tight. So maybe when they open the road now, this place will be free. At least everything will be okay for us.
In Koshofe local government, one of Koshofe's major landmarks, the Alakpere pedestrian bridge, has also been restored after years of being a hazard. With its damaged structure rebuilt and lighting added, the bridge now provides safe passage, especially for those commuting at night. This reconstruction is a clear testament about Lagos State's dedication to ensuring secure and seamless movement for residents.
I want to cross. Someone at madam, they have opened the bridge. Don't cross. Go and climb the bridge. Mommy, are you serious? Say yes. I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very grateful. Jesus, to cross the road is not easy. Chai, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Ìgbà tí bíjì máa wó owó ní last year. Wọ́n ti ṣe tán sìn. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n á ṣe tán sìn. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀gá wa Sanwó-Olú. Ọ̀gá wa #1 Lagos State. Wọ́n sọ pé October náà máa parí ẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ parí l'October. Gbogbo àtúnṣe tó ń ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kò ní bàjẹ́, Èkó yóò ní bàjẹ́.
This project reflects the commitment of Lagos State government to infrastructure that supports economic growth, safety, and accessibility. They are more than roadworks. They are pathways to a greater Lagos where opportunities, resilience, and a thriving economy are accessible to all.